This integral then, between 0 and 1 of this integrand, which I've labelled f of x to save time, we're going to use the trapezium rule with 5 ordinates, and we're working out the answer to 3dp. So here, the first thing to get is h, so let's just do that. The interval is b minus a, here's a, and here's b, so the difference is 1 minus 0 then, b minus a. 5 ordinates, so the number of intervals is 1 less, which is 4. So we get 1/4, which is 0.25. So there's our h value for the formula. Now we need to work out the ordinates, so let's just write them down. So here's the x ordinates. Now we did 5 ordinates, so we're going from 0 to 4. We start from 0. There's 4 intervals up to 1, so each interval increases is a distance of 0.25, isn't it? So if we increment by 0.25s all the way up to 1, then that's fine. Then y0, we're going to save time by just writing f of x0. If you put 0 in here, e to 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, and you get 2 to the half, so that's not too difficult to work out. y1 is f of 1, f of 0.25 rather, 0.25, so we can tap that in a calculator. And then f of 0.5, of course, y3, f of 0.75, we need to work that out, and then y4 lastly is f of 1. We need to tap that in as well. Let's get the calculator then. So we've got 1 plus e to the x, so bracket 1 plus e to the power x, which in the first instance is 0, and then back down to ground level, bracket power 0.5, half is 0.5, so that's what we've got then. So it's 1.4142, 1.41421 is the first entry. Then we're going to toggle back and put 0.25 instead of 0. Tap that out. 511299, so it's 30. 51130, isn't it? 29 goes up to 30. 1.51130. Next one, 0.5. So the 0.25 gets changed to 0.5. 62749, yeah? 62749, the a gets rounded up to a 9. 1.62749. Next one, 0.75, put that in then. 76550. 1.76550. Yeah, and then the last one, put 1 in. So instead of 0.75, we put 1. 92828. 92828, 1 point. There we go. So the integral then is equal to, it's h over 2, 0.25 over 2, which is 0.125, times by y0 plus yn, so the two end ones added, 1.41421 plus the 1.92828 plus 2 times the 3 in between, isn't it? These are the 3 in between. 1.5113, 1.62749 plus the last of the 3, 1.76550. Close that bracket and then close the brace at the end. There we go. Tap that in the calculator then. So I equals. So what have we got then? Let's just so we can see what we've got. 0.125 times bracket 1.41421 plus 92828, 1.92828 plus 2 times bracket 1.5113 plus 1.62749 plus 76550, 1.76550. Close the two brackets, and we get 1.64 to 3dp, 6438 is 644. 1.644, and that's the 3 decimal places.